Hello, dear students. Hope you all are fit and well at home. Today, we are going to start our second chapter in physical education, that is Olympic value education. Olympic value education and Olympic movement is related with link between ancient Olympic games with the modern Olympic games and development of competitive sport activities at various levels, including Paralympics and Special Olympics for those who are differently abled. It has promoted the development of physical and moral qualities to bring together the athletes of the world in great coordinal festival of sport. It is not celebrated only as games but celebrated as the festival of games and sport. Today we will study about the ancient Olympic Games. The origin of Olympic Games belongs to Greece. Ancient Olympic Games were participated in prehistoric period and continued for many centuries as Greece festival. Prehistoric means which has no written records, but it was played before that. The Olympic Games were started before the written period of history, and it was celebrated as the Greece festival. Whatever the record available is said that first historic mentioning of games occurred in the year 776 BC. These games were played in the state of Athens near the valley of Aphor river at Olympiad. The games were held with religious customs in the honor of their god Zeus. They celebrate their games to honor their god named Zeus. The ceremony of games begin from the new moon day and in July after 4 years. After every 4 years it is conducted, and the same tradition is now also being followed. The events of Olympic continued for 5 days in precise order. On the first day of games, the priest performed the rituals with the grand opening and burned the sacred torch. Next day, amphibians means animal games were conducted. On third day, there were foot races, chariot races, and equestrians, pentathlon, that is combination of running, throwing, jumping activities, etc. These all were performed on the third day. On the fourth day, pugilis means boxing, wrestling, sword fighting, and other contact games were played. Fifth day or final day of closing ceremony, the prizes were given to the heroes of these games. Those who were the winners, they were called as heroes. And the flock of pigeons were sent in all cities of Greece, which carried the name of the champions. Because that time media was not introduced, there was no media, so name of the winners were carried by the pigeons, and they carry their names in their and written on a slip, and they carry with them to the different cities of the Greece. The prizes given to winners were made from olive leaves. The famous heroes of these games were Homer, Atlas, Hercules, Galen, etc., and are still remembered in our stones. Ancient games came to a sudden end when the Roman Emperor Theodosius banned these games in the year 394 AD. The glory of the game vanished with time as ruins are still present in the Olympiad. So these are all the things which we have discussed about the ancient Olympic, when it was started, the name of the heroes or champions of these games, whatever games were played, how the prizes were distributed, how it come to an end. So these all things we have discussed. Hope you all understood well. And today's assignment is you have to prepare a short note on ancient Olympic games. Whatever I told you, I discuss with you. So you have to write in your own words in the form of a short note. So that's all for today. Have healthy food, remain at home, exercise every day. Thank you.